This Jaguar XK140 is a 1955 drop head coupe. It's an original UK right-hand drive car and was first supplied to Jaguar themselves as their show car. It was used throughout 1955 to promote the XK140 and specifically the SE model. So it featured the overdrive gearbox, spotlights on the front, wire wheels, that kind of stuff. The heritage certificate actually shows Jaguar Cars Limited show car as the first owner, which is just lovely. After its time with Jaguar, it was sold via Appleyard's dealership to a port importer who used the car to travel to and fro across Europe to Portugal. There are some lovely period photographs of the car that were supplied by the port importer's family that are thought to have been taken of the car in Malaga in period. As you can see, this car is partway through a full nut and bolt restoration. We actually like to use this as our show chassis, so you may well have seen this out and about at shows. It's been built up to demonstrate all the upgrades we do. But we do like to rotate these show chassis in and out. We have another chassis ready to build for show purposes, so this car is available for sale to be completed to the buyer's specification. It's a really exciting opportunity to get hold of a very special car and be able to have it fully restored without the full waiting time of a full nut and bolt restoration. As you can see here, the body shell has had all the metal work done on it. It has been fitted to the chassis and then taken off. We have trial fitted all the chrome work, windows, hood mechanism. Everything here is ready to go. It is in primer, ready to be painted. The car was originally finished in battleship grey with a red interior, so it could be painted that colour, but if you like maroon, if you like silver, if you like pink, it can be finished any colour you like. The chassis is all built up, ready to go. It has a lovely fast road engine which has been running in the chassis and tested. It has a beautiful stainless steel sports exhaust system on it with tubular manifolds, a 5-speed gearbox, disc brakes to the front, polyurethane suspension bushes throughout and adjustable shock absorbers. It has electric power steering, everything you could want to make a really fantastically drivable XK. We can adapt this car to the buyer's specification, but we think this is a great starting place. In terms of interior upgrades, the choice is yours. Seat belts, stereos, anything you like, please get in touch to discuss your needs. I think this is a really exciting project and will be a wonderful car once it's on the road. Please get in touch or visit our website for more information.